This little ribbon might not look like much, but it's the future of regenerative medicine. We've developed the only platform which can 3D print this kind of tissue scaffold, which is 20 times stronger than traditional bioprinted products. Most transplants aren't actually for organs, but for fibrous, mechanically essential parts of your body that don't heal easily. Just one ligament, the ACL in your knee, is replaced 8 times more often than all organs combined each year. And right now, there simply aren't enough good parts to go around. But current bioprinters can only print jelly, often the same kind of jelly used in desserts. They lack the strength needed for fibrous tissues. Imagine replacing a ligament with a piece of strawberry jello. That's where Klona Biotech comes in. We have developed the only machine that can integrate highly functionalized regenerative fibers into conventional cell nurturing hydrogels, letting us 3D print gel fiber composite tissue constructs. This not only enhances the strength of the bioprint, but also improves cell growth and structure. Our goal is to partner with hospitals and surgeons who will use our bioprinters to produce life-changing medical devices on-site, on demand. The benefits for patients are monumental. Personalized implants that will accelerate recovery times while also ensuring long-term quality of life. We're starting with ligaments, but this approach works for other tissues like tendons, cartilage, and heart valves. Imagine a future where a torn ligament doesn't mean a long, painful recovery, but instead something that can be quickly walked off. We here at Klona Biotech want to give you the best implant for every surgery, every time. Personalized implants that fit you down to the fiber.